Hello, this is a screencast for students who have not completed the Google Classroom assignments needed to pass the Intro to Small Business class. How can you find the assignments that you missed so that you can complete them? Well, when you go into the Google Classroom, after you click on Classwork, you will see on the left a little picture with a little person there, and it says View Your Work. You can click on that, and it will show you all of the assignments. If it says assigned or missing, then you need to, if it says missing, you need to complete it. So it will say missing. So anything that is red and missing, you need to complete.